Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder tanks better. First, always know your tank's armor layout and gun penetration values. This knowledge helps you choose engagements wisely and aim for vulnerable areas on enemy vehicles. Effective positioning behind hard cover, like buildings or large rocks, can significantly increase your survivability. Remember to keep your most armored side facing the enemy whenever possible, minimizing exposure to incoming rounds. A well-placed shot can disable an enemy in one hit. Choosing the right ammunition is crucial for success in War Thunder. High-explosive rounds are great for lightly armored targets, while armor-piercing rounds are essential for heavily armored foes. Always prioritize hitting critical components such as the gun breech, engine, or crew compartments. Disabling an enemy's gun or mobility can turn the tide of a fight. Take time to learn the ballistics of your main gun, practicing shots at various distances to improve your accuracy against both stationary and moving targets. Teamwork is incredibly powerful in War Thunder. Stick with your allies, provide cover fire, and push objectives together. A coordinated push by 2 or 3 tanks is far more effective than a lone wolf charge. Always keep an eye on your minimap. It provides vital information about enemy locations, friendly positions, and objective status. Understanding the map's flow allows you to anticipate enemy movements and set up ambushes. Adapting to the battle's changing dynamics is key to securing victory. To truly excel, practice advanced tactics like side scraping, which angles your armor to deflect incoming shells. Utilizing hull-down positions where only your turret is exposed also greatly enhances survivability. Don't be afraid to use smoke grenades to cover your advances or retreats, creating temporary concealment. Consistent practice in custom battles or arcade mode helps you learn map layouts, tank weak spots, and improve your aiming. Dedication to practice will make you a formidable opponent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.